emails, my canvas paint the screen. CSS, my colors paint the scene. Lines of code that dance across my mind. Building dreams in ways so well defined.
HTML tags rise like a new dawn. CSS follows, rhythm flows on. Each little bracket like a silent cheer. My ideas become vividly clear. Code like a symphony flying high. Every pixel a star in the sky. With each keystroke the world feels alive. In this digital realm we thrive. Margins and paddings find their space. Selectors align in a perfect place. Form fields and buttons all aligned. Crafting worlds with every bind. Syntax clean, every rule in check. Diving deep into that tech. Building bridges through the lines we write. Making life better bite by bite. Code like a symphony flying high. Every pixel a star in the sky. With each keystroke the world feels alive. In this digital realm we thrive. Code like a symphony flying high. Every pixel a star in the sky. With each keystroke the world feels alive. In this digital realm we thrive.
Wake up at dawn under the screen's glow. Hands on the keyboard, let's make the code flow. A few tags here and some styling right. Colors align, make the page ignite. HTML dreams, CSS schemes. Building the contact page, it gleams. In line block or flex, let's decide. With every line, the passion can't hide. Step by step each word in place, a masterpiece.